Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thank you for tuning in. So today I'm bringing you mathematics, and it's about indices. Find the value of x which satisfy the equation. So I have an example here which asks me to find the value of x which satisfy this equation. 5 to power 2x minus 6 times 5 raised x plus 5 is equals to 0. So I'm supposed to solve and find the value of x. So you can see here we have 5 to the power of x and we have 5 to the power of 2x. So you'll begin by saying let 5 to the power of x be y. You see, 5 to the power of x, this one here, be y. When you square this, you get y squared is equals to 5 to the power of x, but I'm squaring. To the laws of indices, to these powers you can multiply. So this gives me 5 2x is equals to y squared. You can see this, and you can also see this. So 5 to the power of 5 raised x is equals to y. 5 to raise 2x gives me y is equals to y squared. So I'm going to substitute this and this in my equation. Have you seen that? I'm going to substitute in this equation. So this will give me 5 to the power of 2x is equals to y squared. So this is y squared minus 6 times 5 to the power of x, which is y. So this gives me 6y plus 5 is equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation, and you can solve this quadratic equation. So this is, I'll look for the sum and the product. For my sum here is -6, and for my product here is 5. So I look for two numbers. When I multiply them, I am getting 5. When I add them up, I'm getting -6. And these two numbers are -1 and -5. Have you seen that? So I'm going to substitute these numbers in this quadratic equation. So this gives me y squared minus 1y minus 5y plus 5 is equals to 0. So I will group them, and I'm going to factor out. So for this one, I'll factor out y minus 1, and for this one I'm going to factor out 5, so -5y minus 1, this equals to 0. Y minus 1, which is in bracket, it's common. You can see they are the same, so I'll write them y minus 1 into bracket, then pick the ones that are out. Y minus 5 is equals to 0. So I want to get the value of y. Y minus 1 is equals to 0, so y is equals to 1. And on this side, y minus 5 is equals to 0, y is equals to 5. So I have these two numbers, y is equals to 1 or y is equals to 5. And on this equation here, up here, let me show you. I said 5 to the power of x is equals to y, and I already have the value of y. I have two values here, so I'm going to substitute them and get the value of x, because my question requires me to get the value of x. So 5 to the power of x is equals to y. Have you seen that? 5 to the power of x is equals to y, and I have y as 1. So 5x is equals to, I want to make the bases the same, 5 0. So any number raised to 0 is 1. Any number raised to 0 is 1. And my y is equals to 1. So x is equals to 0. And for the other case, 5 to the power of x is equals to y. And for this case, my y is 5 here. So 5 raised 1 is just the same as 5. So x is equals to 1. Have you seen that? X is equals to 1. So my solution is x is equals to 0 or x is equals to 1. So these were the solutions to my answer. They were 2. X is equals to 1 or x is equals to 0. So you earn a mark. So this marks the end of this video. I hope you have understood. Remember to practice. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye bye. See you in my next video. Bye.